Is there any Android file transfer for Windows to transfer files between Android and PC? Below we shall explore 7 tools to help you get there. Top 1. Android File Transfer for Windows Assistant for Android. Mobikin Assistant for Android Win and Mac is amongst the most reliable software of that kind. It is a great Android file transfer for PC or Mac, and an outstanding data manager as well. Launch the program and connect Android to the PC and detect your phone. Tap on the data types you want to process from the left menu and choose Export to copy items to your Windows PC or select Import to transfer files from your computer to Android. Top 2. Android Backup and Restore. Mobikin Backup Manager for Android. This dedicated tool makes it convenient for you to back up various file categories on Android to a computer and restore them to any Android phone or tablet. Plus, it also lets you make easy connections via Wi-Fi or USB. Top 3. Google Drive. With 15 gigabytes of free space allocated, Google Drive, user-friendly service, makes it easy for you to make an Android transfer to a PC and vice versa. By taking advantage of its file sharing feature, Google Drive lets you share files like photos, videos, recordings, etc. Top 4. ShareIt. When you need to clone your Android file to a computer or another phone, you can utilize ShareIt, an Android transfer alternative for Windows. This product gives you the ability to wirelessly copy major data types, like photos, videos, documents, etc. Top 5. AirDroid. With AirDroid, operators can access Android data on a PC wirelessly. This ShareIt alternative also enables you to make phone file transfers and manage files, messages, incoming calls, etc. on a computer. More interestingly, it has the ability to remote control your Android. Top 6. Zender. Zender hammers at transferring files from Android to a PC Windows, or vice versa, covering photos, videos, music, and more, providing higher transfer speeds on the hotspot as compared to Wi-Fi. This Android file transfer for Windows app has no limitations on the size of files. Top 7. Zapier. Being a feature-packed version for Windows PCs, Zapier devotes itself to sharing large-sized files over the same wireless network. This Android file transfer for Windows 10 11.8.7 can also be used to preview and receive files on different OSs.